And the race is on, getting personal, running by Darrell Siklag. And moving up is Do It David. Rushing up is Marcus Empire. It's now Marcus Empire, Do It David Siklag, getting personal. Alongside Sunday Street Air Force One is racing 6 from the outside. Dayang Dang Federal Court Pochi. And Yotero is running at the tail of the field. Marcus Empire, Sunday Street, getting personal, racing from the outside and running by the road is entry number 3, and this one is Do It David. Last 400, Marcus Empire, Do It David, getting personal, racing from the outside as they race the final corner. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead, getting personal, moves now to take the lead, followed by Do It David in the middle. Siklag down on the inside, Marcus Empire, Dayang and Air Force One. And nearing the finish line, getting personal from the stable of O.B. La Rosa, getting personal. Second, Close Siklag, Marcus Empire. Dayang, number 3, Do It David, Air Force One. Yotero, Sunday Street, Federal Court, Pochi. Comes